Dancehall DJ Tommy Lee Sparta is to spend the next 3 years behind bars after pleading guilty to illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. The Montego Bay native was given 3 years on the firearms charge and 2 years for legal possession. The sentences are to run concurrently. Tommy Lee Sparta, whose given name is Leroy Russell, was charged in December last year after he was found in possession of an illegal gun and ammunition during an operation in New Kingston. The local entertainment industry continues to see lockdown measures. This as the COVID-19 numbers are on a rapid rise in the island, resulting in the government adding further restrictive measures. The carnival season for one will not happen this year as scheduled. Yesterday, Tourism Minister the Honourable Edmund Bartlett announced that carnival in Jamaica was a no-go until further notice. In a release, the minister says that after a number of consultations with the relevant stakeholders, Jamaica will not be hosting carnival this April, adding that it was in the best interest of Jamaicans and will aid the government's fight to preserve lives and livelihood. Carnival bands subsequently posted a collective notice which has been receiving mixed reactions. The cancellation of carnival season in Jamaica is not isolated, as carnival seasons across the Caribbean have also been cancelled. However, as resilience goes, some bands have been creative, taking the event outside of Jamaica to areas such as Miami, which is currently open. Now, speaking of Miami, or Kingston 21 as we call it, South Florida has seen a steady migration of local events. This as the Jamaican entertainment industry continues to experience stricter measures. Popular event promoters for Sands and Daydreams have been moving their events to Miami as a way of survival. Yesterday, a small cohort of promoters in Mandeville staged a mini protest to the announced measures. And police and partygoers clashed in Miami. This as the MIA is open to host spring break events despite the pandemic. Things, however, got overwhelming over the weekend, and the Miami Beach mayor issued a state of emergency. We go to the CNN for that report.
The state has now seen more than 2 million coronavirus cases, and yet you have all these spring breakers treating it like there is no pandemic at all going on, and they're partying here in Miami Beach and in these entertainment districts. Take a look at some of this video that we've seen, which is really explains why the city has put in this new state of emergency. The mayor is basically saying, look, spring breakers, we don't want you here. Don't come here to party.
Florida leads with the highest cases of the UK and Brazilian COVID-19 variants. I'm Deidre Ann Gordon reporting for ePrime.